Space may seem empty, but it's actually filled with tiny particles called cosmic dust. Imagine a giant sandbox stretching across the universe. That's kind of what it's like. This dust is made from the leftover bits and pieces of stars that exploded long ago. It's the raw material for everything we see in the universe, including our planet Earth. Think of cosmic dust as the flour used to bake a cake. You need flour to make the cake, just like you need cosmic dust to make planets and stars. Without cosmic dust, our universe would be a very empty and boring place indeed. Around 13.8 billion years ago, something incredible happened. The universe was born in a massive explosion called the Big Bang. Imagine a firecracker exploding, but on a scale bigger than you can possibly imagine. That's the Big Bang. Before the Big Bang, there was no space, no time, no anything. Then suddenly everything exploded outwards, creating the universe we know today. The Big Bang sent cosmic dust and gas hurtling through space, like a cosmic wind scattering seeds across a garden. In one corner of the universe, a giant cloud of cosmic dust and gas started to clump together. This clump grew bigger and bigger, pulled together by an invisible force called gravity. Think of it like a snowball rolling down a hill, getting larger and heavier as it goes. As the clump grew, it got hotter and denser. Eventually, the pressure and heat at the center became so intense that it ignited a nuclear furnace, giving birth to our very own star, the Sun. The Sun became a blazing ball of fire, lighting up the surrounding space. Not all the cosmic dust and gas ended up in the Sun. Some of it swirled around the newborn star, forming a disc-shaped cloud called a protoplanetary disk. Imagine a giant frisbee made of dust and gas spinning around the Sun. Within this swirling disk, tiny grains of dust started to stick together like dust bunnies under your bed. These dust bunnies grew bigger and bigger, forming larger clumps called planetesimals. Over millions of years, planetesimals collided and merged like cosmic bumper cars, eventually forming the planets we know today. Section 5. The Hadean Eon, Earth's fiery baptism. One of these planetesimals, destined to become our home, was a hot, molten ball of rock. This early Earth was a violent and chaotic place, constantly bombarded by asteroids and comets. Imagine a time when volcanoes erupted everywhere, spewing lava and ash into the sky. This period of intense heat and bombardment is called the Hadean Eon, named after Hades, the Greek god of the underworld. It was a time when Earth was more like hell than a place where life could flourish. Section 6. A molten ocean, when rocks melted like ice. The constant bombardment from space generated so much heat that the surface of the early Earth was completely molten. Imagine a giant ocean, but instead of water, it was filled with liquid rock. This molten ocean stretched across the entire planet, glowing red, hot, and bubbling like a cauldron. As the Earth cooled down, this molten ocean slowly solidified, forming the first solid crust. This crust was thin and unstable, constantly broken apart by volcanic eruptions and asteroid impacts. Section 7. The Late Heavy Bombardment, a cosmic billiard game. Around 4 billion years ago, the early solar system experienced a period of intense asteroid bombardment known as the Late Heavy Bombardment. Imagine a cosmic billiard game, with asteroids and comets crashing into planets like giant billiard balls. This bombardment left its mark on the Earth's surface, creating numerous craters and shaping the landscapes we see today. Some scientists believe that these impacts also brought water and other essential ingredients for life to our planet. Section 8. From Chaos to Order, the formation of the atmosphere and oceans. As the Earth continued to cool down and the bombardment subsided, our planet began to transform. Volcanoes released gases from the Earth's interior, forming the first atmosphere. This early atmosphere was very different from the one we breathe today, consisting mainly of carbon dioxide, water vapor, and nitrogen. Water vapor in the atmosphere condensed and fell as rain, filling the low-lying areas and forming the first oceans. The appearance of liquid water on Earth's surface was a crucial step towards the emergence of life. Our Section 9, a habitable planet emerges, setting the stage for life. Over billions of years, the Earth continued to evolve. The continents shifted, mountains rose, and life emerged in the primordial oceans. From the chaos of the early solar system, a habitable planet had emerged, a testament to the power of cosmic forces and the resilience of life itself. As we gaze up at the stars, we are reminded of our humble beginnings from cosmic dust and gas. The story of Earth's formation is a tale of cosmic collisions, fiery upheavals, and the gradual emergence of a planet capable of supporting life, a testament to the wonders of the universe we inhabit.